matter what, and they always say if you're in an evacuation zone, you should leave. We used to have one emergency manager here who used to say, if you're in an evacuation zone and you don't leave, attach a toe tag with your personal information to your foot so we know who to call when we find your body. I mean, it doesn't get any more drastic than that, and I don't think the message gets any more clear. You're putting yourself in the line of danger and risking death if you stay put in an evacuation zone.
Okay, you said 30 years of covering this. How does it feel for you in retrospect? I mean, like looking at, like, in context.
Okay, well, to be quite frank with you, they were interesting to me at first, and then when my home was in the bullseye of Hurricane Charlie, interesting. My home was in the hurricane, was in the bullseye for Hurricane Irma 5 years ago. That was scary. My home is in the bullseye for this hurricane. It's scary, but if you're prepared, it's less scary, and that's the thing. People here, you know, the way people in your area need to be prepared for earthquakes and things like that, we need to be prepared for these hurricanes because they do come. It's been 5 years since Hurricane Irma, but I can still remember what it was like here, and so does anybody who went through it. This is a very... The rain is going to be torrential, even though we won't have a major hurricane here in Orlando by the time it gets here. It's still going to rain like crazy. There's going to be flooding, there's going to be damage, and there's going to be all kinds of problems, power outages and that sort of thing. The trick is being prepared for all of this stuff to get through.
Peter, thanks very much for taking the time. That's CBS News correspondent in Orlando, Peter King. Find the best gas prices for you here at KCBS in San Francisco at Valero at the corner of Judah. It's 509 in San Carlos at A&A Gas at the corner of Holly and Industrial. It's 517, 495 in San Jose at Gas and Shop at the corner of McKee and McDonald. And in Oakland, Express Gas at the corner of High and Penniman, it's $4.99. All of those prices are cash. If you have a station that beats those prices, give us a call. 415-474-KCBS. The gas is sponsored by Envision Toyota of Milpitas.
Envision Toyota. For end of summer savings, Envision Toyota of Milpitas is the right decision. Now during their end of summer sales event, you can get as low as 2.49% APR for 48 months financing on select new Toyotas, Corollas and Camrys and more. Or get 3.99% APR financing on pre-owned certified Toyotas. Shop online anytime at EnvisionToyota.com or in person where the 880 freeway and the Great Mall Parkway meet. Call 855-973-2594 for details. Honda of Milpitas end of summer savings. Start with a special lease for a 2022 Civic Sport Sedan for only $229 per month for 36 months. Choose 1.9% financing for 48 months on a new 2022 Pilot. Make the right decision with Milpitas. Call 855-996-2274 for details. Finding great candidates to hire can be like, well, trying to find a needle in a haystack. Sure, you can post your job to some job board, but then all you can do is hope the right person comes along, which is why you should try ZipRecruiter for free at ZipRecruiter.com/find. ZipRecruiter doesn't depend on candidates finding you. It finds them for you. Its powerful technology identifies people and actively invites them to apply to your job. You get qualified candidates fast. So while other companies might deliver a lot of hay, ZipRecruiter finds you what you're looking for. The needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/find. That's ZipRecruiter.com/ZipRecruiter.com/find. If you're thinking about home improvement, why not choose products that last longer, look better, and provide real energy efficiency, all while increasing the comfortability of your home? For over 50 years, Armstrong Painting, Roofing, and Windows. Free estimates and financing available when you call toll-free 855-777-1234 or online at Armstrong1234.com. Armstrong Painting and Roofing and Windows. License 245291.
At 10:38, we spotted a crash in Sunnyvale. We'll get details from Victor in your local Honda dealer's traffic center.
Yeah, and it's already causing quite a bit of a slowdown. This on Highway 237 westbound right on Matilda Avenue. This crash is being reported that's blocking the right lane. Traffic is starting to back up. It's about a good half a mile after Lawrence Expressway. You're going to see the bright lights. Also on the peninsula, Highway 101 through Mountain View and Palo Alto. You got slow traffic in both directions of 101 between Shoreline and right around Oregon Expressway. Once you get past that in either direction, looks like things smooth out nicely. Speaking of smoothing out, in Fremont, that earlier crash on the 880 south. You're still slow coming out. The eastbound direction is closed. They have one-way traffic control due to a jackknif. Big rig, no estimated time when the eastbound direction will open there. You may want to consider using Brentwood Boulevard as an alternate. Your next traffic update at 10:48 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Soft in with fog at the Golden Gate Bridge, but blue skies everywhere else. Maybe a few clouds at the coast, though. We're looking at 60s at the beaches, 70s around the bay to the low 80s inland. The clouds will come back overnight and stick around tomorrow morning, but burn off in the afternoon. Traffic and weather together on the 8s and All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS.
What's up, everybody? Gil's hosting a new podcast, No Mercy, with Stephen A. Smith. Listen as I pull back the curtain on everything beyond the world of sports, interviewing influential guests, outspoken celebrities, and thought leaders across the political, financial, and social spectrum. You know me, I'll give you my unbiased opinion. A No Mercy episode drops every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. A presentation of Cadence 13 and Odyssey Studio, available on the Odyssey app or wherever you listen to your podcasts.
It's easy to think all money managers are pretty much the same, but at Fisher Investments, we're clearly different.
Different how? You sell high commission investment products, right?
No, Fisher Investments doesn't sell any commission-based investment products.
Well, you must earn commissions on trades.
Nope, never at Fisher. We're a fiduciary, obligated to act in our client's best interest. It's the highest standard of care for a financial advisor.
How do you know what's in their best interest?
We get to know our clients and then tailor a portfolio based on their goals and needs.
But you probably sneak in some hidden and layered fees.
No, we have one transparent management fee structured so we do better when our clients do better.
Wow, you really do look out for your clients.
That's because our top priority is helping them achieve a comfortable retirement. It might be why most of our clients come from other money managers. Visit FisherInvestments.com to find out why investors like you switch to us. Fisher Investments. Clearly different money management.
Investments and securities involve the risk of loss.
And paid for by the Sentinel Group.
Attention, this is an important message for anyone that has been diagnosed with cancer after using products as Johnson & Johnson baby powder and shower to shower. Recent media studies have shown that use of talcum powder